afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Performance Unlimited. What we happen to have here is one of our unpainted LS7 441 cubic inch engines. Like I said, everybody wants it their way, and that's how we build them. This one is an unpainted motor, oil packs on top. We got our Holley fuel system on here, and I'll tell you what, ready for the numbers? 721 at 62 and still climbing, 640 foot-pounds of torque, right where you want it. So again, you're looking for one badass engine builder, you know you found us, Performance Unlimited. Peace. Get down to my target.